Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be discussing what is happening potentially with your Dyson V7 SV11 battery powered vacuum. When you fully charge it and then you push the trigger, it might last 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes, but it's not lasting as it originally was. That means that your battery cells are probably going out or going bad. Now with that, I'm going to be showing you the Dyson V7 SV11 replacement kit with 2 filters, cleaning brush, screwdriver, screws, and replacement battery. This is by the company MVMOD, and I will link them in the description box right below the video, this exact same replacement pack. This is a 21.6 volt, 4000 milliamp, 86.4 watt replacement battery pack. Now with that in mind, I have many Dysons around here. I have another Dyson right over there. I got the pulls. I got another motor right over here and here and here, because I've done a lot of Dyson vacuum fixes before and review videos, and on my other channel I actually dumpster dive in California and found all these Dysons, which is crazy because the battery packs go out and people are in that mode where they want it now, they want it fixed now, so they go out and they spend the big bucks instead of getting the replacement kit. This is not right here in front of us a V7, but I'm going to be showing you the basics. It's pretty much the exact same thing. So first and foremost, what we want to do to replace this is just going to make it easier. Let's go ahead and push this trigger right here. Let's detach this tubing so we just have the motor head, and it's going to look like this right here. And if I didn't state it clearly, I moved. Okay, so you have your bare motor head right here. What we want to do is we want to look on the back of it here, and inside that little slot, not the charging port, but right above it, is going to be a Phillips screw. Grab your Phillips screwdriver provided and go ahead, get on in there and loosen that one up there. Now let's go ahead and look at the replacement battery. Remove the top right here. Flipping that around, you have your charger port right here, and this slips in, and you have your screw hole right here. And this did come also, this replacement pack came with 2 screws as well. And this battery also has a battery indicator light right here for when it does turn red or blue, dead or charged. And that's on both sides, just like your original battery here, with, of course, the charging port on the back. Now, again, this is the V6, but what you want to do is you want to detach the container from the unit. In most cases, you want to go ahead and empty out the bin first, take out the filter as well. Now, with replacement kit, you also get that spare filter, and you also get your new back filter as well. That goes right on the outside right there. And that's real simple. Latches off and latches back into place for that, nice and clean. Now this particular one, obviously like I just mentioned, dump out your rubbish first in your bin. That collapses down. Come here from the bottom once again, and again you might have to push it down kind of hard, and then it unlatches from the bottom. And then go ahead and pull that off nice and slow there. Again, this is the V6. V7 should be similar. Now you have access to the bottom screw of your V6, and on your V7 you have 2 screws right here and here. Again, they only give you 2 screws, so you might want to keep one of the screws, probably that goes in that side. They're probably all the 3 the same size. Now we're going to go ahead and loosen this screw right here, and then that will just go ahead and pull on out. Now obviously the V6 is slightly different than the V7. The one on the right is the V6, the one on the left is the V7. Very similar but slightly different, so unfortunately I won't be able to use this V7 until I find my V7. But in your case, you would just go ahead and insert it, your new one back in, like that. Go ahead and put back in your 2 screws right there and there. Putting back on your container, putting back in your screw right here, change out your filter that's provided on the back, slip in your new filter on the top, and obviously use a provided cleaning brush if you need to get in there nice and deep. I would go ahead and fully charge the battery before you do give it a rip for the first time, snapping your motor head back into your wand, and go ahead and get back to cleaning. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, don't throw away your Dyson V7 SV11 just because the battery doesn't last as long as it used to. Get your replacement pack. Again, in the description box right below the video is going to be this exact same one. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that thumbs up button if it has helped you get your Dyson V7 back up and running, or if you have a secondary V6, I just showed you exactly how to do it step by step as well. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. Also, subscribe if you like cute little dogs too. We will see you on the next video. Again, in the description box below are your links. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.